Hello, it's your Sunny Health and Fitness trainer here, Lindsay, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with your Active 400 Smart Incline Treadmill. This incredible Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill was engineered for comfort, technology, and serious performance, all in a compact design made for your home. This particular model features upgraded Wi-Fi connectivity so you can stream your favorite workouts or entertainment while moving. Why is Wi-Fi better, you ask? Well, it's more reliable than a typical Bluetooth or casting connection, as it connects directly to your home system for a fast and hassle-free experience. The connectivity allows you to see your stats so easily on your smart TV, and once you've set it up, that's it. It should stay connected, making it faster to get started with future workouts. It's compatible with the SunnyFit app for real-time fitness tracking and fitness coaching. The spacious 16 by 50 inch shock-absorbing deck keeps your joints comfortable, while the 15-level motorized incline ranging from 2.6 to 12.3% lets you intensify your workouts. The advanced LED display tracks everything you need, like distance, time, speed, pulse, calories, and steps. Plus, with 20 built-in workout programs, 3 countdown modes, and 3 customizable user settings, you'll always have something to challenge yourself with. Watch me fold up the treadmill so I can show you how to get started. So we'll just fold it upright, lock it in place. So to begin with, take your foot and press down or in the hydraulic cylinder and allow the treadmill to safely unfold. You want to place the safety key into position. It must be in place for the machine to operate. Connect to your Wi-Fi network via your phone and open the SunnyFit app. Go ahead and select the SunnyFit app. Go to running. I'm going to choose this 10-minute New Beginnings treadmill workout. Connect the equipment and press start now. Place your feet on the side rails. Start the treadmill on the slowest setting, then safely get on into a walk. So when you're done, remove the key and step off carefully. You'll want to fold it like this. Simply grab it from the back end, fold it, and use the transportation wheels to take it to a safe place to store. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Active 400 Smart Incline Treadmill from Sunny Health and Fitness. Are you ready to move more and feel better? This treadmill has you covered.